how to create an assignment in Canvas. I am going to go into the class that I want to build the assignment in. And this is actually a class where I've already built the assignment, so we're just going to use this as an example. So once I'm in the class, I will go into Assignments in the menu on the left, click Assignments. And I'm going to add an assignment group. So that's the first thing if you don't have a group set up. So the way Canvas sets it up, you can have different components of an assignment contribute to the assignment group. So for example, I'm going to have their outline count as a certain number of points. I'm going to have the speech itself count as a certain number of points. And I'm going to have the, let's say their slideshow count for a certain number of points. So you can build different components into your assignment group. So I'm going to call this the persuasive speech. I've already built one, so it's already pre-filled for me basically. And it's going to be worth, let's say, 10% of the final grade. I'll have to remember to go in and delete this since I'm using a real class to make it. So I've got, now you go down to, let's see here. There's my original persuasive speech assignment, but I'm building a new one just for demonstration purposes. So here is the one that I am building for demonstration purposes. So you click plus on that, and you're going to add an assignment to this assignment group. So the assignment I'm adding is an actual assignment, and it's going to be the actual speech itself, persuasive speech. Okay, and you would put when it's due, just for this demonstration. Let's say it's due April 10th, and it's going to be worth, so if I'm having their outline worth 5 points and their slideshow worth 5 points, then the speech itself would be worth 90 points. You can't have the speech just be worth 100 points. It's up to you, however you want to configure it. And then you're just going to hit save and publish. And now here is my persuasive speech, and it's already published. Now right now it's defaulting to submitting nothing, so I'm going to edit it. And I actually want them to submit online. They're going to submit a website URL. So what they will do is they will upload their speech video to YouTube. They will copy the URL, the link to their actual speech video, and they will submit it using this assignment tool in Canvas. So I want it to be a website URL. I don't recommend having students try to submit entire videos, like entire media recordings, because we have literally thousands of students, and if they all upload videos, which are huge files, then it could crash the servers. So my recommendation is to have them save their speech to, for example, YouTube, and just submit the link to the video. Okay, it's not a group assignment. You can set it up to require peer reviews. That's a slightly more complicated step. I'm not going to go into that right now. I've got my due date. And let's see, is there anything else I wanted to add? Oh, you can assign it to specific students, but we're just going to assign it to everyone. So save. And now it is worth 90 points, and we're submitting a website URL. And that's really all you have to do. So if you want to launch the student view and see what it's going to look like to the students, go into assignments and go down to the persuasive speech. This is the one that we just made. And they would click on it, and when they're ready to submit the assignment, then they would just paste the link in right there, and that's how they would submit their assignment. So there you go. You have built the assignment.